Want to know how to discover startups in Well-Found or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So once everything is done, here, in order to discover startups or startup jobs, on the leftmost side you should be seeing discover. It will be right below messages, so you can just simply select that. So now once you're under messages, here you should be seeing startups right below all, or beside all, just simply select that. And now you should be under startup jobs. So what you can do is you can just simply show according to your category and select your city as well, and it should show like this. So you can just simply select it and then just save or apply for it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.